Plug in the pump power connector. Connect the oil pipe. Set the oil volume. Materials preparation. Turn on the agitator and heating switch. Pour materials into the kettle. Turn on the agitator and heating switch. Cover the kettle lid and wait for the popping. Automatic smoke exhaust. Turn off the heating switch after popping finished. Pour the popcorn into sieve for cooling and filtering. Quick transfer and popcorn into the storage box. Pour water into the kettle for cleaning.